If you are looking for the best drip coffee maker, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Cuisinart DCC3200P1 Perfectemp Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart DCC3200, available in both 12 and 14 cups versions, has almost all the features you could want. It's one of the few that has a 14-cup carafe within this price range. Plus, it has a sweet feature of hot plate temperature control, which customers love because it stops you from scalding your coffee. Where it shines, it comes with fully automatic 24-hour programmability. Just set it to your desires, and your coffee is handled every single day. It has a self-cleaning feature, a 1 to 4 cup setting, and auto shutoff. Number 2. Zojirushi Coffee Maker. If you like to brew one pot and drink from it throughout the day, you'll save so much time not having to re-brew again and again. Thermal carafes tend to be expensive, but not the Zojirushi Coffee Maker. And it has many useful features: automated cleaning, a reusable filter basket, and an easy-to-access, removable water canister. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly thermal brewer, this option is for you. Overall, it's a nice kit. Number 3. Ninja CM407 Specialty Coffee Maker. This Ninja coffee maker gives you a plethora of options. It's a dual coffee maker, which means you can choose between brewing a quick cup or waiting for a whole 10-cup coffee pot to brew. It's a Ninja coffee maker that can do anything for you when it comes to coffee. In terms of versatility, the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker wins. Now go off and make a new exciting coffee with a few touches of a button, because you can. Just remember, while it can make iced coffee, it can make cold brew coffee. Number 4. Technivorm KBT Coffee Brewer. The Moccamaster is a beautifully designed drip brewer that you've most likely seen in high-quality third-wave coffee shops. That's a statement itself. It's at the higher end of the price spectrum, but it makes the best damn cup of coffee a drip brewer can possibly make, thanks to its pre-infusion and brewing process. Also, this bad boy is SCAA approved. It's easy to take apart to clean, and also has a 5-year warranty, so you won't have to worry about it breaking down on you. Number 5. BUNN BX Speed Brew Classic 10-Cup Coffee Brewer. The BUNN Speed Brew Coffee Maker is one of the fastest coffee makers available. It will brew a full pot of coffee in under 3 minutes. Just add coffee and water, press a button, check your social media and your coffee is ready. Is the quality of coffee sacrificed for speed? Probably, but not as bad as you'd think. BUNN is known for making great coffee machines, and they haven't cut any corners with the classic Speed Brew BX. The BUNN Speed Brew's internal water tank always keeps the water at a perfect coffee brewing temperature.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.